Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. My name is Apurva Shirole. I'm a cabin crew in Indigo Airlines and I have been an ex-student in Aptech Aviation Academy. So today I just thought of sitting and doing a video. I would love to share some things about Aptech Aviation Academy because Aptech had given me a lot. Because of Aptech today I'm here. I have selected an Indigo Airlines as a cabin crew. All thanks to Aptech Aviation Academy and Mr. Vinod Bamne sir, who was always there, who was always guiding me throughout my journey. So, starting with my journey has been a wonderful journey. Starting with my first day of Aptech, I remember I was so nervous that I was not able to give even my introduction. But eventually, I learned a lot of things through my activities. Aptech actually takes a lot of activities for the students. We also do some airport visits, because of which we will get to know about the airport, what is around the airport, how everyone works in the airport premises, what is the job of a ground staff, what is the job of a cabin crew, and all the people who work at airport. So it is actually very helpful, because sometimes we just read some things and it actually doesn't go in our mind or doesn't get fixed in our mind, but when we actually practically see it, it gets fixed in our mind so easily. So all thanks to Aptech, that we did airport visits, we did so many activities, we also did presentations, which one of them I would like to say was country presentation. We used to get one country and we have to represent it by saying few things about the country, few fun facts, few amazing places where we can go if we visit the country. So we actually, through that activities, we actually built our confidence. Our confidence level was boosted. And for a cabin crew, as you all know, the first thing which is very important is your confidence, second thing is your communication, and third is how you present yourself. So confidence, through because of Aptech, my confidence level was increased so much that I could clear my cabin crew interview. Second thing, my communication was actually, so now you can say that I can interact well. Now I can interact well with my passengers on board, all thanks to Aptech Aviation Academy. Third is, you should be professionally well groomed all the time. So Aptech you also takes grooming classes. So they actually train all the students how to groom well, how to professionally present yourself in front of everyone. So these three things I think Aptech has given me. Aptech actually helps you to find out the skills in you, and it will actually help you how. It will also help you to implement the skills you have learned in Aptech. So found out the skills which I had, and I implemented in the right way. So because of which I'm here today. It has been a wonderful journey. I still miss my Aptech days, because we used to get new activities every day. Every day we used to go there and we used to think, now what? Now today what we are going to get? Now what activity we will learn today, or what things we will learn today? So every day they will give you some or the other activity which will help you, which will definitely help you to reach to your goal. It's not about only aviation, but we actually learned hospitality, travel and tourism, and all the sectors which are actually at a very good position, at a very good level right now, and which are actually, if you're dreaming to become a cabin crew, or if you're dreaming to become, if you're dreaming to enter a hospitality industry or any travel or tourism industry, Aptech will be helping you in all the ways, as it has helped me. So thank you so much Aptech for giving me such a good training, and thank you so much again for your training. It has helped me a lot. And today, as I was the only girl which had completed an institute course, aviation course. So when I was in my training days, my cabin crew training days in Indigo, so there I was knowing everything because I had learned everything in Aptech. So I was knowing everything, I was answering so quickly, and all the instructors were very impressed by me. So all thanks to Aptech. Thank you so much for always guiding me and always helping me. and Aptech will help you to reach out to your goal, or to become, if you want to become successful in aviation industry, hospitality, travel and tourism, you can join Aptech, and Aptech will always help you, and it will be always there with you. So thank you so much, Aptech, again. Thank you for your support and always helping me. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.